We opened up the coop today for the girls, so they've got full run. They're getting so big. Hey everybody, we are going to work on our garden today. We have approximately a 25 by 40 foot garden space and we've got a plan. So we decided to go with some really awesome landscape fabric this year because weeds are so terrible down here. And we saw Living Traditions use it and it's worked really well for them. So we're going to get the garden tilled, get it all set up, get it laid out, and see how far we get. Here we go.
Getting ready to put a cabbage in. I cut a hole, a piece of leftover wood. I'm gonna lay it down, burn around the circle.
I can come back through behind you. I got gloves on, honey. Oh, perfect. Yeah, that's nice. These are the cabbage that we started from seed a few weeks ago. So they're doing pretty good. Wow.
Yeah, they're just time to come
Getting
out.
root bound.
But I don't have the water turned on out here. Don't need much water. Hey folks, we're going to end this video, but we wanted to show you this. That we had a rhubarb bed here, but it was just too hot for them. So we're going to plant beans in the back of it. We put in a lot more topsoil, and then we're going to plant some carrots along the front end. And these beans will be for shelling, so that we can have soup beans or whatever. And that's going to do it for this episode. So as always, we'll catch you later.